we talk about parking cars. My roommate made a funny comment one day because he saw me open the car door for my wife. Usually I open the car door for my wife, put her in there, right? You're such a gentleman. And I'm like, yeah, I kind of, but actually I have an ulterior motive, right? The reason I'm opening the car door for her is to get her out of the danger zone first, right? Get her ensconced inside this hard point. Like close the doors before I get in. Last thing you want to have happen is she's getting in, you're getting in, and somebody comes in on that side, grabs her, attacks her, right? So from a safety security standpoint, as you know, it's a gentleman thing to do, but it's also a security thing to do. Open the door for the other person. I park my car backwards in the parking space so I can egress right away if I need to.
Combat parking.
Yeah. So there's certain things that I do, and as I approach my car, I'm already looking beyond the car. I'm looking, around the sides of the car. I'm scanning the area. I'm looking at the cars adjacent. Okay, who's sitting in the car? I'm looking for potential threats that may come out.
Okay, I'm gonna break in here again to remind you of our Flash YouTube free offer. I'm now giving away 200 of our new Commando knives for free. The design is based on the SOG blade used by Special Forces in Vietnam. Get to the link in the description, just pay shipping, and it's yours for free. Okay, back to our video.
While I'm in my car, because what are we going to do? Just like in the hotel, I'm looking at the key latch and I'm focusing on that, and I'm not focusing to my left, right, and rear, right? So,
good points.
A good thing to rehearse with another person, if it's two of you or three or four, it doesn't matter. Is as I'm approaching the car, I'm looking over the car to on the backside of the passenger. They're looking over my backside. So we're literally pulling across side security, right? As I'm entering the car, right? And it's even better when everybody's armed. But these are little caveats that these little techniques could make the difference between you put a car in the ATM machine, and a dude all of a sudden comes out of nowhere like, oh, you're not even ready for it, right? So it's all about preparation. It's not paranoia. It's always about preparation.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching our video lessons here at TRS Direct. Hit the like button down below and consider subscribing to our channel here on YouTube. Hit the bell icon and we'll send you a notification when there's a new lesson available. Thanks again for watching.